create something new on TikTok, this video is going to explain to you how to set duration on your text and also your stickers. Already made videos, already projected on TikTok platform. Now, making a video on TikTok is quite simple. Now, this video is going to show you how to set duration on your sticker options and also your text, and also show you how to make use of the video templates made already available for you on TikTok. Template. All you need to do is just to click on the circular form and start making use of it. Shoot a video. It depends on the time rate that you want your video to be. It could be 50 seconds, 60 seconds, or 3 minutes. Once you're done with the recording and you're satisfied with it, you can now proceed to other stuff.
Hello, Your Honor.
Hello. This is TikTok. All right. These are different video options that have been created by individuals. So scrolling down to see
invite me to dinner,
which you can imitate. Let me see.
Oh, Mama. Let me tell you this. There is absolutely nothing pleasing about your body odor at all.
Yes, my family know what I do for a living. Mom!
What?
What do I do for a living?
Porn!
Thank you. Yes, my family know what.
Okay.
Don't ask me to go out, cause there's no money in my account. I'm broke. Money zero.
To make use of this template, all you need to do is just to click on or tap on the circular form just down here. As you can see, point it, just tap on it, and it will take you over to the place where you can now make use of the sound. And as you can see, we have other individuals that have created a similar video. So just tap on it and tap on use sound. Every feature or every effect that has been used or identified on this particular video will be replicated. So all you need to do is just to now start recording yourself. As you can see, this is me, and ensure that you've practiced the script and you can be able to synchronize your voice alongside with synchronize your voice as the video starts. So let's start. This should be a 15 seconds video. We have 60 seconds here and 3 minutes. As you can see, just within underneath here. And in order to just get yourself readily prepared, you can use the timer option here. You click on the timer option here and you start recording.
Don't ask me to go out, cause there's no money in my account. I'm broke. Money zero. Send donations.
Now the next is to actually set, before clicking on next, you have to set the text and sticker duration effect. Okay, and in doing that, you have to first of all make use of the first sentence in this video, which is don't ask me to go out. Okay, that's the first sentence. Now we have varieties of different family fonts, and we have the typewriter, we have the classic, we have neon, handwritten. So I'm gonna select typewriter, and it can now be centralized, highlighted. Then click on done, take it a little bit up, and then set the duration and like a reddish cover. And once you trim it, okay, you trim it and drag it to the left side, you can see the other part is uncovered. It means that where this has covered the entire video, but when you trim it to the appropriate place where it should start, it means that the sentence will appear at the start and to the finish. The first we're going to try it out and let's drag it and test it now to see.
Don't ask me to go out.
Okay, let's go back on it and see.
Don't ask me to go
I
out.
think there's a little bit delay, so we'll have to shift it a little, then try it up again.
Don't ask me to go out.
Okay, this is good. So we're going to try the second sentence, which is there is no money in my account. Just repeat the same process as the first one. Okay,
Don't ask me to go
typing,
out.
then repeat the same process, set the duration. This time around, remember we have the first sentence, which is this: don't ask me to go out. Then this is the second sentence, which is because there is no money in my account. So we're going to observe it. So we're gonna, all right, I think this because there's no money in my account started way up here, so let's try.
Don't ask me to go out, cause there's no money in my account.
All right, So this is really sinking.
Don't ask me to go out.
This is it.
Cause there's no money in my account.
I think there's a little bit delay, so we'll have to adjust that and watch it.
Cause there's no money in my.
So this is good now.
Don't ask me to go out. Cause there's no money in my account.
Tallied with the so that is it. This is perfect. So the next thing to do is to move over to the stickers. So move over to the sticker options and select a particular sticker that you prefer. I'm gonna select okay and drag it to the where you want it to show, then set duration. And as you can see, the same thing that is applicable while setting the time duration for the test is also applicable here. You can either leave it at all or you can just trim it down, and let's try it out. Okay, now here it is. So setting timers is just making your sticker or test appear at the appropriate time. So we're gonna select another sticker, and this time let me say fire. Okay, let's use this and set duration, the same thing. Now this will start from the beginning of the video. Okay, then when you place it at where you want it to show and just click on OK. Now let's see how it goes.
Don't ask me to go out. Cause there's no money in my account. I'm broke. Money zero. Send donations. Help out a friend.
Well, let's take a look at what we've done so far.
Cause there's no money in my account. I'm broke. Money zero. Send
So once you're done, you
donations.
click on next
Don't ask me to.
and proceed to post it. You can select your cover photos here by selecting maybe the preferred
In my account. In my account. In my account. In my.
save it, and also you can now describe your video, book this down or something, and you can now make use of your hashtag, maybe TikTok, hashtag TikTok training, and whatever hashtag you want to use. Okay, so once you're done, you can now publish, post it if you're ready to post it or display it, or you can save it on draft. So that's it on making use of the TikTok app, on replicating, adding tests, and also sticker and setting a duration to your video. Now I call it TikTok 101, and it's going to, because I start from the basics, and with time you'll be able to understand and grasp everything on TikTok. And currently I'm compiling a playlist on making videos on TikTok, and I would like you to subscribe to my page and stick around to see how things are done on TikTok. I'll always give you daily updates or weekly updates on TikTok, however it is. So ensure that you subscribe to my page, like, comment, and also share to people that may need this video.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes and